Meena had enough money to send 8 parcels, each weighing 500 grams through a courier service. What be the weight of each parcel if she has to send 40 parcels for the same money? For the same money. Okay, 500 gram, 8 parcel. Appo 40 parcel, how much? Okay, can we find now? So inverse proportion method la எழுதிக்கலாம். So parcels and then weight. So now the parcel is 8, weight is 500 gram. So next 40 parcel, how much weight? Okay va. So x term வந்து multiply பண்ணிக்கலாம். So inverse proportion தான். So 40 into x equal to 8 into 500. So x equal to 8 into 500 divided by 40. So now 8 into 500 divided by 40. So now you do the division. 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 40, 5 ones are 5, 5 tens are for 100 times. What I will get? 500 I will get. So x equal to 100, weight only we have found, no? So 100 gram. X equal to 100 gram. That's all, children. So now look at this. 8 means 500 gram. 40 parcels, 100 grams. 40 parcel, 100 gram. Okay, children, have you clear? Children, now this is your 7th sum. It takes 120 minutes to weed the garden with 6 gardeners. If the same work is to be done in 30 minutes, how many more gardeners are needed? How many more gardeners are needed? They are asking the question. Okay va. So look at this, children. I am going to write. So first is timing. So next is gardeners. Okay va. Upper timing is 120 minutes, 6 gardeners. Okay, now 30 minutes, how many gardeners they are asking? So x you give. Okay va. Look at this, children. Form the equation. So 120, sorry, first x term we will take. X into 30 equal to 120 into 6. So x equal to 120 into 6 divided by 30. 1s are 5s are. Okay va. 5 1s are 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 20. So 24 times we will get. Am I right? Yes. X equal to 24 gardeners. Look at this, children. Here they have mentioned one of the important word. How many gardeners are needed? If they ask like that, means our answer is 24 is right. But they had given the important word, how many more gardeners? More means I have already 6. So 6 தவிர இன்னும் எவ்வளவு தேவைப்படுது? That is what they are asking the exact question. So children, here down I don't have space, so I'm just put it here. You just continue that down itself. So gardeners equal to, so already 24 gardeners. So already I have 6 gardeners in my hand. So more 6 தவிர இன்னும் எவ்வளவு தேவைப்படுது? That's what they are asking, no? So 24 minus 6 is 18. So we need, therefore, 18 gardeners. Okay, have you clear, children? Okay, very much simple. Okay va. My answer is 24, right? But how many more gardeners they are asking? Because of that word only, we have to subtract that 6 with this 24. So 24 minus 6 is 18. So we need the 18 gardeners. Okay va. To do in 30 minutes. Okay, have you clear, children? Next, move on to the next one. This is your 8th sum. Okay, Neelaveni goes by bicycle to her school every day. Very nice name, no? Nobody is in our class in this name, Neelaveni. But I like that name. Okay, so Neelaveni goes by bicycle to our school every day. Our average speed is 12 km per hour. Okay, wow. இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லாஷ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா per, we have to read it as a per. And she reaches school in 20 minutes. Okay, wow. She reaches school in 20 minutes. So what is the increase in speed if she reaches the school in 50 minutes? Okay, what is the increase in speed if she reaches the school in 15 minutes, they are asking. Shall we do this? Okay, first speed timing. Speed is 12 km per hour. She will reach in 20 minutes. So 15 minutes means how much time they have taken. Okay, wow. So x term first you will write. So x into 15 equal to 12 into 20. So x equal to 12 into 20 divided by 15. Once you write for do the cross division here. So 12 into 20 divided by 15. Now you do the division. 3 5s are 15. Sorry, 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So I have 4 into 4 here. 4 into 4 is 16. Okay, so now if she want to reach reach in 15 minutes means she wants to go in the speed 16 kilometer per hour. 16 kilometer per hour. Okay, are we clear, children? Because we are finding the speed only, no? So 16 kilometer per hour and the speed la ponada she can reach to her school in 15 minutes. Okay, wow. Have you understand, children? Very much simple sum. But here they had given the question, what is the increase in speed? Okay, wow. Last question la eppadi more அப்படின்ற word கொடுத்திருந்தாங்களோ, like that the same in this question they had given the word increase. So already I am going in the 12 km speed. Okay, wow. So speed equal to, now I want to move in 16 km per hour. So already I am going in 12 km per hour. So 16 minus 12 is 4. So now the increased speed is 4 km per hour. Increased speed is 4 km per hour. Okay, are you clear, children? Children, this is your 9th sum. A toy company requires 36 machines to produce car toys in 54 days. Okay, wow. Machines days we will write like that. Machines number of days required to produce it. So 36 machines in 54 days. 36 machines in 54 days. Okay, so how many machines would be required to produce the same number of car toys in 81 days? So 81 days la how many machines we will need to produce it? Okay, ba? Okay, children, look at this example. Now we want to do the multiplication. So x into 81 equal to 36 into 54. Okay, so x equal to 36 into 54 divided by 81. So do the cross division here. X equal to 36 into 54 divided by 81. Okay, so which table it will come? I think so we can divide it in the 3 table, it seems. So 3 tables, 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. Same in the 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 7 8 21. So 7 times we will get this. Okay, again go with the 3 table. 3 4s are 12, 3 9s are 27. Now I have 4 and 9 here. So 9 table I have 54. Is it right? Is it right or not? Okay, how many times it will come in the 9 table? Can anyone say? 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 40. Okay, Afterwards 49. So we can't divide it in the 9 table. I will go with the 3 table again. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, 24. How many times in the 3 table? 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. Okay, now I have 3 and 18 here. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 6 9s are 24 வந்திருக்கும். Okay ba. So now I have 6 4. So x equal to 6 into 4. This 4 into 6 only I am written here. 6 4s are 24. What is this 24? 24 machines. 24 machines. machines. Once again I will tell you children this one. Here machines 36 reduced to 24, but days reduced, days increased. Okay, this is what your inverse proportion. So this is the last sum in this exercise. So till now I have completed up to the 9 sums in the exercise 4.2. okay, in your book it is in the page number 88. Now this is question number 10, 4.2 objective type question. Question number 10. 12 cows can grass a field for 10 days. Okay, so 20 cows can grass the same field for how many days? Okay children, see, listen here. 12 cows 10 days. Okay, 20 cows how many days? Okay, 20 cows how many days? 12 cows 10 days. 12 10 20 cows how many days? Look at this children. If this one is increased, so automatically this one will get decreased. So it is the inverse proportion. It is the inverse proportion. Okay, are we clear? Inverse proportion means we want to do the straight multiplication. Do the straight multiplication of this. X into 20 equal to 12 into 10. So x equal to 12 into 10 divided by 20. 2s are 1s are 2 1s are 2 6 are. So I have only 6. So in this no, you can, by seeing this itself you can get the answer. Look at this children. 12 10. Okay, so how many days they are asking? 12 20 cows means it will take nearly 6 days to complete. Okay, so answer is 6. Answer is 6. Okay children, so next sum is 4 typists are employed to complete a work in 12 days. Okay, 4 typists 12 days. Next, if 2 typists are added, 4 typists kuda 2 typists add பண்றாங்க, அப்போ 4 plus 2 I will get 6. Okay, they will finish the same work in dash days. So we want to find the exit here. Okay, so 6 को x को ना multiplication பண்ணணும். So 6 into x equal to 4 into 12. So x equal to 4 into 12 divided by 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So 4 2s are, I will get answer 8. I will get answer 8. So that's it children. 4 typists 12 days la complete பண்ணாங்கன்னா, so here 2 more typists, that is 6 typists, they will complete the same work in 8 days. Okay, they will complete the same work in 8 days. That's all children. This 4.2 is getting over now.